Hello guys, I hope you are fine. My name is Helen Keller. Welcome to my YouTube channel. When one door of happiness closes, another opens. But often we look so long at the closed door that we do not see the one which has been opened for us. I would rather walk with a friend in the dark than alone in the light. The best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all. Death is no more than passing from one room into another. But there's a difference for me, you know. Because in that other room I shall be able to see. One can never consent to creep when one feels an impulse to soar. Although the world is full of suffering, it is full also of the overcoming of it. Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. Character cannot be developed in ease and quiet. Only through experience of trial and suffering can the soul be strengthened, vision cleared, ambition inspired, and success achieved. Keep your face to the sun and you will never see the shadows. Be of good cheer. Do not think of today's failures, but of the success that may come tomorrow. You have set yourselves a difficult task, but you will succeed if you persevere, and you will find a joy in overcoming obstacles. Remember, no effort that we make to attain something beautiful is ever lost. The most pathetic person in the world is someone who has sight but no vision. What we once enjoyed and deeply loved we can never lose, for all that we love deeply become a part of us. The highest result of education is tolerance. Never bend your head, hold it high, look the world straight in the eye.